In this episode I will try and fit the 2-inch ROX racers to an NC750X with ABS brakes. Will it work or will it not? Stay tuned. So, what is in the box? Well, a pair of ROX racers obviously. This is going to be an interesting project. I've heard so many different opinions about the ROX racers and the NC750X. Some people say they fit perfectly, and some people have problem with too short cables. Especially with the DCT model, there seems to be some problem with the cables running from the DCT switches on the handlebar. In the package there is also installation instructions and of course a ROX sticker. I begin by removing the cable ties. Then loosening up the handbrake so I can slide it on the handlebar. Then I remove the cable holder for the DCT cables. Then I remove the holder for the DCT cables on the other side also. Then it's time to loosen up the handlebar. It's a good idea to put some cloth on the front so you don't scratch the paint. At this point I notice that there might be a problem with the front brake cable. I try to get some slack, but it seems impossible. So I decide to remove the handbrake and get on with the project. Maybe I find a solution later on. I then install the ROX racers. And there seems to be enough slack in all the cables. And then back to the front brake problem. No matter how hard I try, there just isn't enough slack to install the front brake. I then strip the side panels of the bike to get a better view of the problem. The problem with the ABS model is that the front brake cable does not go from the handlebar to the front wheel. There is some kind of ABS unit attached to the frame of the bike and the cable is only about 30 centimeters. So there is no way you can raise your handlebar 2 inches. I had to take the racers away for now and I'm searching for a solution for this problem. One would be to get a longer front brake cable. I will find a solution to this problem and this episode will be continued.